I've been in this game for a lot of years, and I got out alive. If you want my advice, give this shit up.
Skeletons in your closet, itching to come outside.
The Guns and Crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise, or they ain't going.
And the way it feels can
I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
take your mind.
Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
That house right there, with the yellow stairs.
And one life to tell,
I don't care how many cars you own, you ain't changing.
I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm cool.
Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs?
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
Oh my God! Hey, let's bounce.
Bounce. We're bouncing now.
it's getting ready to go. It's getting ready to show. Somebody shut up like the mountain. Getting ready to know. It's getting ready to cry. It's getting ready to shout. Somebody turn up the heat again. It's getting ready to pop.
That's Trevor, my best friend. That's Franklin, the son I always wanted.
Yeah, whatever.
Jesus, your therapist has a lot to answer for.
It's getting ready to go. It's getting ready to show.